Traveling the world doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, with the right strategies, you can explore more, spend less, and still create unforgettable memories.
Hi, I'm your travel guide, and welcome back to Do Next Adventure. Today, I'll be sharing my top travel tips and tricks that will help you save money while enjoying every step of your journey.
One of the biggest travel expenses is flights. But here's a secret. If you're flexible with your travel dates, you can save hundreds of dollars. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare prices. Flying midweek is often much cheaper than weekends. Peak season means peak prices. By traveling in the off-season, you'll not only save on flights and accommodation, but you'll also enjoy destinations with fewer crowds, cheaper, quieter, and just as beautiful. Pack light and stick to carry-on to avoid baggage fees. For accommodation, consider hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb. Sometimes booking directly gives you better deals than third-party websites. Use public transportation instead of taxis. Walking and biking are free ways to discover hidden gems. Eat where locals eat, at street food stalls and family restaurants for authentic, affordable meals. Many activities are free: hiking trails, public beaches, free walking tours, and museum-free days. Don't forget travel rewards programs and credit cards that earn points for future trips. So, there you have it. Smart travel tips to help you see the world without emptying your wallet. Remember, traveling is not about how much you spend, but about the experiences you collect along the way.
If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Do Next Adventure, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Until next time, keep exploring.